Today, I'll show you how to buy VOO on Vanguard. First, make sure you have a Vanguard brokerage account and enough cash available in your settlement fund. Vanguard explains that ETFs are bought through a brokerage account and money transferred in is placed in the settlement fund before you use it to invest. Vanguard also notes that it can take about 3 to 7 days for transferred money to become available for investing. Next, sign into your Vanguard account on the website or in the Vanguard app. Vanguard says its mobile app lets you buy or sell investments, monitor accounts, and manage money, so you can place the order there as well. Open the buy and sell or trading section inside your brokerage account. After that, search for VOO, which is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Select buy, then enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Vanguard's brokerage account information says Vanguard ETFs can be bought starting at $1 per share, while the online trading guide explains that ETFs are traded in your brokerage account at market prices. Now review your order carefully. Check the ticker symbol, share quantity, estimated cost, and order type before you submit it. Vanguard's online trading education says ETF trades can use market orders or limit orders, so choose the one that fits your strategy best. Finally, submit the trade and check your order status. Once the order is filled, your VOO shares will appear in your brokerage account. Since ETFs trade throughout the day, the price can change between the time you enter the order and the time it executes. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.